What you know about this?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be applying this wig. It is from Ishow hair, and it also came with this wig cap. So as you can see, the closure has already been cut. I've worn this hair for probably like a month now, and the reason why I wanted to wear it for a month is because I feel like every time I review a wig on here, it's like I take it out the package, I wash it, and then I show you guys. Like, I don't ever wear the hair for longer just to see like what it's gonna do and everything. So this hair has been worn for a month, and I went ahead and washed it again, and so it did have like baby hairs already and all of that. So it's not fresh out the package, which is really actually a good thing, so you guys can see what the hair looks like over time. And it is a 24-inch wig, so as y'all can see, it does have a little length to it, which I love because I'm liking longer hair on me, like with certain outfits or whatever. So yeah, this wig looks really good. It's good quality or whatever. I'm not having that much shedding at all. So I can really be honest to say I love this curl pattern too, but we're going to change this curl pattern. So I'm going to wand curl the hair. So as y'all can see on the thumbnail, I did wand curl the hair, and I'm using this wand curl that I was sent. This is actually on Amazon. I'm probably going to link it below. But I'm also using this hot comb. Like I said, every time I link this hot comb, you guys buy it. So make sure you go and get you a hot comb, because that's how you can make this part really flat. I'm just using regular blow dryer. Okay, so let's get started. And oh, also I'm using this because this is the bed head that I stick it with. I never use glue on any of my wigs, so I'll never probably use glue on this channel unless I'm working with a company and they want me to try their glue out. I just get hair spray out, so it's always going to be like a glueless method. So I'm also showing you guys, I'm going to put this on the closure to make it look more natural, because obviously when I washed it, the lace went back to its original color. So I want to fix that. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up a bit and apply this wig so you guys can see it. And then we are going to curl it.
I'm done.
so now I have it just kind of down under this wrap, and I'm about to, let me turn this fan off in the back because I know y'all can probably hear that. So I'm going to use this wand so I can go ahead and make my curls. I think I'm going to use some of the hairspray as well, just to get the hair kind of back, kind of like molded. It molds the curls better when I use a little bit of hairspray. So I'm just going to take this brush and kind of comb it out just a little bit. The waves, so pretty. I love the natural waves that this hair has, and it is of course body wave. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray a little bit as I go and go ahead and curl this side. Okay guys, so I already curled this side, and I'm gonna comb it out and make it look really pretty. And I'm just gonna curl this side off camera, and then when I come back on, I'm gonna show you guys like my outfit and all of that. So yeah, so I'm about to curl this side right now, and then I'm gonna come back on here. Okay guys, so now that the hair is curled, I'm gonna go ahead and take my hot comb, and I'm just gonna make this like flat up top, up there, just so the wig can look as natural as possible. We do not want a bubbly wig, y'all, so just make sure you make this as flat as possible. It might be easier to comb the curls out first, so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of curl. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of uncurl some of the hair and see where I'm at, and if I have to recurl the front, usually I do, because I never like how like the curl is in the front. Like I always have to kind of recurl that. But yeah, we want it to go for more like a wavier look. So that's kind of cute. I love that. And then I'm gonna fix this baby hair on this side, because it's looking like, God, there's a hair right there. It's looking like the baby hairs aren't laid yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these done. And then that'll make it easier for me to go ahead and use my hot comb and make it like more flat right here. The hairspray made it a little stiff. Sometimes you gotta like comb through it a little bit at the top. Now I'm gonna add this makeup in, and honestly it just makes the lace blend really, really good with your skin. And I go like a couple of shades darker, obviously, because you want it to blend in better at the top. So I'm just looking for my brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this Morphe M454 brush right here. This is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna go in and just make this a little bit darker. Sometimes I'll do it before I actually add the wig on, just because if you do that, it kind of makes it easier and it blends a little bit better. But sometimes I'll do it afterwards and it looks just fine. So yeah, just go in there, just put a little in there. You can even put some concealer right here, but I don't think I'm gonna do all that on this one. But yeah, this wig is looking so cute. So I'm just gonna add some on this side as well. And really that's it. So if you want, you can like cut layers in it. When I first wore this wig, I did cut a little bit of layers in the front. That's why it's like a little shorter right there. But I'm gonna show you guys my little outfit because I did pick out an outfit with this. Y'all know I've been shopping on Pretty Little Things, so I'm gonna show you guys my outfit in a second. This is what the hair is looking like. So it is 24 inches, so as you can see, it's looking pretty long, but I like that length. Some people are comfortable with like 22 or 20 inches, so you could like chop a little bit off, but I'm gonna keep it just like this, y'all. This is so cute. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Okay guys, so this is the finished look to the hair. It looks so pretty. I want to show you guys this that I got from Marshall's for $12.99. Of course you can get it from like hair stores and other places, but this is the BioSilk Silk Therapy Light. So it just really conditions the hair and just brings it back to life and like protects the hair whenever you're like curling or straightening your hair. Like it really brings it back to life. So I love this stuff. So I really like this stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and spray like the flyaways at the top because I forgot to do that. And usually I'll just hot comb them down like with the back part of the hot comb, and that just makes it kind of lay a little bit more flat. But yeah, y'all, I really love this hair. It looks so pretty. This is the little outfit I chose, and this is like a top from Shein, and these bottoms are from Pretty Little Thing. I'm gonna give you guys a better view of the bottoms so you guys can see them. Hold on. And these are the bottoms. I'm gonna give you guys a little better look of the bottoms. This is like jogger pants, but it's more like cargo pants, kind of in between, and it has the ties on the side. I absolutely love these pants. They are so cute, and I love this color together, this contrast. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and take some pictures of this look. But yeah guys, like I love this hair. Like it looks so pretty. The curls are probably gonna stay because usually when I wear this hair, like I'm so glad I can tell y'all that yeah, so usually when I wear this hair, the curls stay really good. So I'm excited about that. But yeah, this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna go take some pictures, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.